Fresh explosions were heard in the city of Lviv in western Ukraine early Wednesday morning. A few days back, just a couple of days back, Ukraine had sounded the air alert for most of the cities in Ukraine that it would be attacked very soon, and Russian troops have now started attacking even the smallest cities of Ukraine, making sure that it is destroyed and people are killed. Early Wednesday morning, huge explosions were heard in the small city of Lviv. I'll keep you updated, and do click on the subscribe button for more such news and updates. Thank you.